In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix Gmail not receiving verification code in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. From home page, open up your Gmail and click on this profile icon that's showing right top side to select your account first. After selecting your account, click on these three lines on left side and scroll down. Here you will find this settings option. Open it, and from here you have to open your Gmail where you want to fix Gmail not receiving verification code, and scroll down. Here you will find this data usage sync Gmail. You have to turn this on and make sure this enable dynamic email option is turned on. Click back, again click on these three lines and then open up your spam folder. Some of the emails not show on inbox. The suspected emails show in this spam box, so you have to also check this spam inbox if you want to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Now in the second step, open Play Store and search for Gmail, and then you have to make sure that you are using updated version of Gmail. So these were the two methods to fix Gmail not receiving verification code in just few easy steps.